and welcome to the next tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the pricing. And just like everything else on Xperiencify, it's super easy. It's just knowing where to find where you put the information in. So I have my courses up, and I believe Bettering the Office and Company does not have pricing yet. So I'm going to click on it. And then it comes up with the steps. And then we're going to go to step 2 where it says set course payment options. And it says course price, pricing style, and discount coupons. So we are going to click into there. And then you see where it has a single payment. And you also have a payment installments down here. So I'm going to put my course subject to change since I'm just putting information in for this tutorial. We're going to say it's $297, which it may be. So that would be the one payment. That is done. Then we go down to the bottom, and let's say I want to make 3 payments. You could do 3 payments monthly, and it gives you the option of yearly or monthly. And we're going to do 100 for each payment. So, and you can make more, as you said, you could make more. So if I wanted 6 months at $50, you could do that. You'd add it right there. Let's delete that one. So that is the pricing. The other pricing option they do have is if you have a subscription base, and then you click on the subscription, and you could say, then it also gives you year and monthly, but you could say maybe what you have a $30 a month subscription every 1 month, and let's put that in there. See what to show you. 30, and it comes up to $360 a year. So you have those 2 options, and you do have coupons, but we will get to that in the next video. So that is it for now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And I will see you in the next video.